Alright, we got a 2014 Honda Accord V6. We're going to be doing the starter. Before we do the starter for this Honda, you do need the radio code. So it's kind of a Honda thing. If you ever disconnect the battery, it's going to ask you a passcode up here on the radio. And the newer ones, you can just hold down the power button for like 3 seconds and then it should go back to normal. But if it doesn't, make sure that you have the radio code somewhere or else it won't work and you have to talk to the dealer about getting a code for it or something else along those lines. 210 for the battery. Next we got 212s. Also a 10mm on the side. It's a little hard to see, but under this tray there's also a 10mm. This last 10mm is actually under this tray. You can feel it. Actually, two 12mm bolts. This is going to be, try to see if we can get it. One right there that I took off, and then there's going to be one more right there that's coming out right now. Those are both 12mm. And pull out. Next is this gray clip right here. This guy. It's got to be free. Next is the pop this cap right here. Disconnect our positive off of it. This guy out the way. We got two 14mm for our starter bolts. I'm gonna take off the bottom one because it looks like it's easier. It shouldn't have been that tight, that's for sure. The second one now. Alright, now that we got it out, we just pull it. Pull it out. Away and out. There we go. Alright, our old one came with a gasket, so we'll go ahead and, my new one didn't come with that, we'll go ahead and transfer that gasket over and put the new one in. I'm going to take this bracket off as well, so it's a little easier to put the starter in, just a 10mm.